Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to mirror a 2D sketch with Fusion 360. Let's go ahead and get started. Start a new design, and then let's go ahead and create a sketch here on the XY plane. We're going to draw a construction line, and so click your construction line option, grab your line drawing tool, and we're going to draw straight up, roughly 3 inches or so. Okay, I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to take it out of construction line mode option now, and I'm just going to draw a line. I'm going to zoom in a bit here. It's going to be 1 inch, and then we're going to draw another line up 2 inches. Okay, and then we're going to connect our line here to our construction line. Okay, now I'm going to grab my circle drawing tool and I want to draw 2 circles here with a diameter of 0.25 inches. Okay, and I'm also going to dimension them from our sides using location dimensions with a distance of 0.25. Okay. All right, now I'm just going to come on over here to our 2-point rectangle tool and I'm going to draw out, a rectangle, something like this, and I will dimension it now. So I want to hit escape. All right, let's make this dimension right here. That's going to be 1 inch. This dimension from here to here, that's going to be 0.25 inches. And then from here to here, we're going to make that 0.5 inches. And then from here to here, that's going to be 0.5 inches. Okay. All right. So when you're done, you should have a construction line with a 2D sketch over here. Okay. And now we're going to go ahead and mirror it across this construction line. So come on up to create, come on down to mirror. Okay. And it's going to say, hey, what lines do you want to mirror? And I'm just going to kind of select them all. Say, hey, what's your mirror line? And I'm going to mirror it across this line. And then I'm going to hit OK. And there it is. There is our mirror tool for mirroring 2D sketches. All right, and the mirror tool is a great option. It saves a lot of time. So before you design a part, always think, is there symmetry here that I can always mirror to save time? All right. Okay, I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.